All right, here's the 2013 Chrysler Town & Country Touring with the Eldorado Amerivan package. Automatic door, automatic ramp. It's remote operated via the key fob here. So door opens, ramp comes out. It's got two removable front seats, driver and passenger. It's a clean van. I know you mentioned rust. There's no rust. It's clean. You can see in here. And then remote operate, close. Ramp closes. Door closes. Then I'll show you under here. There's no, again, it looks good. Try to show you underneath. Yeah, clean little car. So